I'm Prince Isaac, and I'm a maiden graduate of the solar taxi maintenance training program. And the training program has the theoretical aspect and then the practical aspect. And both are intensive. You get a chance to meet real world situations that you work on. I entreat everybody, the auto electricians, the mechanics, students, to take part, because the emerging electric vehicle industry has a lot of opportunities. The maintenance aspect, the software aspect, and charging aspect. So I entreat everybody to take part in it. The trainers over here are very good, down to earth, and they will take their time to teach you. I entreat everybody to take part in the training program that Solar Taxi has brought about. Thank you very much.